In this video, I'm gonna walk you through on how I created this amazing looking GIF or Jiffy, whatever you call it, in seconds using free online softwares that don't break your bank or require any previous graphic design experience. Let's jump over to my second screen here and I show you how I did it. So this is the final result, as you can see here, but how I started it, let's take you through that journey. I went over to easygif.com, click right here, GIF Maker, and it will ask you to select a few images. Now, important to mention that you want to select images that are on the same background, okay? So if it's black or white background, that would be awesome. Otherwise, it will look a little bit off. So I'm gonna open these and click on upload and make a GIF. There we go. Now you see a little prompt here that says resize, and let's see what will happen if you don't resize the images. So you see it looks a little bit off, which is not ideal. All you need to do here is just ask it to resize those images. So now that I resized the images, let's ask it to make the GIF for us, and voila, all ready. And this is ready to go if you like the speed. I think it moves a little bit too quick. So I'm just gonna ask it to change it to 60th of a second instead of 20th of a second in terms of speed. And there we go. You see, already in seconds, and now all you need to do is just save it right here, which I already did, so I'm not gonna do this again, and then go to Klaviyo, pick and choose one of their pre-selected templates. I chose this one right here, and drag an image, okay? So you can drag an image, browse your image library, and there we go. This image was added, and then you only need to resize it right here for it to look optimal for what you're trying to do, okay? So here you go, guys. You can pretty much use it for your next campaigns, your next flow emails, and get your GIFs ready in seconds. If you have any questions about what I did, drop me a comment down below, and please let me know what other videos you'd be interested for me to make for you guys. I'll see you in the next video.